Let's take a look at object linking and embedding. I'd like to take a spreadsheet that I've created in Excel and place it out into Word. Most of you will just come out here and copy and paste that, and what you end up getting is a Word table with the data inside of it from the Excel spreadsheet. But you can also embed or link the Excel spreadsheet into Word. All kinds of magical things happen when you do that. First of all, let's take a look at just how to do this straight from Word. If I'm in Word for Windows, I could go to the Insert menu, come out to the text group and choose object, and then just click on the object button, and from here I could create a new object. I could come out here and choose, save that, click OK, and it just dumps a worksheet out here for me. Type in data, have all kinds of fun with this thing. Now another way to do this would just to be inside of your Excel, copy the Excel spreadsheet and paste it in as an object. Let's see how that works. Now back inside of Excel, I'm just going to go ahead and select my worksheet and do a Control-C to copy this. I will move back out to my Word, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it. And I just basically get a table, and I can make any editing changes, but all my formatting, any links I have back to the spreadsheet are not applied here. I mean, it's basically, as far as Word's concerned, I just built this table and typed all this information in. Let's take a look at another way. You could come out and choose the down arrow under Paste, and under Paste Special, you could drop this in as an object and then click OK. Or you could come in and link it. If I come out here and choose Paste Special and choose Paste Link, I could paste this in, say, as a bitmap picture, and then click OK. Now I've got 3 different versions of this spreadsheet in here. This is basically just a table. This guy is embedded as an object. All Word remembers is that this guy comes from Excel. So when you double click on it, you can do any of your editing right here inside of Word for Windows, and it has no effect back on the original spreadsheet. You make your changes here, you have the full power of Excel. All your toolbars change to Excel, all your tabs up at the top change to Excel. You're basically in Excel. When you click away, you're back in Word for Windows. But you could come out here, you could run a calculation if you'd like. You can do anything you can do in Excel. It has no effect back on the original worksheet. This guy is linked in. Now if you were to double click this, it would actually start Excel, load up the worksheet, and you'd make your changes on the original, and then when you closed Excel, they would be reflected here. Let's try that. This is already linked back out to the other worksheet. I'm just going to come out here and change this to Wonderful Excel. Maybe I'll change the background of the cell, color the font red, and when I come back out here to Word, I can see that that has been changed out here as well. That's how you can link and or embed. To take these out, you just click on them, press delete. If this were Word, we're in a table, I would just select the table, right click the little selector, and just choose delete table. And now I'm back out to where I started.